Controversial social media critic Martins Otse, popularly known as VeryDarkMan (VDM), has come under heavy criticism amid his recent announcement of missing 180 million naira from his NGO. As critics linked VeryDarkMan's purchase of Mercedes-Benz to the missing funds, speculations have spread on social media regarding the purchase of the multi-million naira Mercedes-Benz AMG by VeryDarkMan. The post came in response to reports that VeryDarkMan had lost 180 million naira after his NGO website was hacked. The influencer expressed skepticism, stating that shortly after hearing about the alleged theft, rumors surfaced that VeryDarkMan had purchased a Mercedes-Benz AMG. The influencer statement read, VeryDarkMan said 180 million naira is missing because his NGO site was hacked. Today, we heard he bought a Mercedes-Benz AMG. My question is the money in a bank account opened for the NGO, or was it on the website? Please explain to us like we are in primary school. He further called on VeryDarkMan to clarify where the money was stored, whether it was in the NGO's bank account or on the website. The post quickly gained attention with concerned individuals flooding the comment section to voice their thoughts. At Engineer Ashley, money can make anybody do whatever they preach against. At Buddhism said, what I have been wondering, the money cannot be sitting on a website. At Ashbro_Janal, if I speak my mind now, they will say it is because I don't like him. But honestly, 160 million missing and a Benz showing up. Even primary 2 pupils would ask for an explanation. Transparency isn't too much to ask. At Viva Dido, they can't hack his bank account through his website. Websites do not hold money, but can only be used to set a payment gateway. For money to be stolen, it has to be directly with the bank, and the information for such would only be with the account holder, not in the website. At Starcrouch app, you all are falling into trap. Dude never lost the money, he's only playing, just waiting to hear back. At Kitty Kitchens, myself I need to sit down to be taught. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more trending stories and exclusive videos.